Yes, hello guys, good morning and Jai Hind to you all. Welcoming all of you here in our SST class. So guys, as we have completed our second chapter, only one last topic is left that we will finish today. And with this, we will complete this chapter. So all of you, please prepare your fair copy, complete your question and answer which I will send you today. Okay, and let's finish this chapter. So this is second chapter and we are discussing the physical features of India, and this is the last topic, that is the island groups. Okay, this is the last feature of India. First we have discussed the Himalayan range, second we have discussed the northern plains, third we have discussed the peninsular plateau, fourth we have discussed the deserts, fifth we have discussed the coastal plains, and now today the last one we are going to discuss about the Indian island groups. Okay, so let's start. Look guys, we know that India has a mainland, okay, and apart from this, that means except this mainland, India has two island groups. Okay, the first one in the Arabian Sea and the second one in the Bay of Bengal. Let's discuss about them. So first of all, apart from mainland, India has two groups of islands. Okay, number one known as Lakshadweep, and the second island group is known as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So let's find the location. Look, I hope you have read this. Apart from mainland, India has two groups of islands. Okay, so let me erase this because I want to explain you something. Look, this is the mainland of India. Okay, apart from this, here is a group of small islands known as Lakshadweep. Okay, same as here, small islands are also present like this, from north to south direction. Okay, these groups of islands are known as Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Look, this Lakshadweep is present in Arabian Sea, while this Andaman and Nicobar Island present in the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. So I hope the location of this Lakshadweep and Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar is clear. So now first we are going to discuss about the Lakshadweep, that it is located in the Arabian Sea close to the Malabar coast of Kerala. Look, this is Lakshadweep and we know that this is the coastal plain of India. This portion is known as Konkan. This portion is Kannada and this portion is known as Malabar coast. So this Lakshadweep is close to the Malabar coast near Kerala. Okay, coast of Malabar coast of Kerala, and composed by small corals. Look, this is very important thing regarding this island groups. Look, it is believed that ये माना जाता है that these groups of islands are made by the corals. So what are corals? We have a question. So we can say the corals are the skeletons of small marine animals. That means सी में रहने वाले जो small animals हैं, okay, ये उनके skeletons हैं और उन्हीं से बना हुआ है क्या, लक्षद्वीप completely. Okay, the next one is, in earlier it was known as Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amindive. That means before Lakshadweep, जब इसका नाम लक्षद्वीप पड़ा था, before that it was known as three names like Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amindive. In 1973 it was named as Lakshadweep. That means before 1973 it has three names, okay, Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amindive. But after 1973 it were together known as what, Lakshadweep. That means we can say these three names, Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amindive, becomes one name and name as Lakshadweep in 1973. Fine. The next point is, it covers an area of 32 square kilometer. That means the area of all these island groups together is approximately 32 kilometers square, which has a great diversity of flora and fauna. Okay, it has a very great diversity of flora and fauna. So what is the meaning of this diversity and flora and fauna? So diversity means different type of what, flora and fauna. Flora means the plants, fauna means the animals. So we can say in this island groups on Lakshadweep there are so many varieties of plant and so many varieties of small or big animals. The last point is it has a bird sanctuary on Piti Island. Look, it has so many islands, na? It is a group of islands. So there are so many different islands, and all the island has a name. Same as it has an island known as Piti Island. Piti Island, okay, has a bird sanctuary on it. Fine. So there is this important question that Piti Island is a part of which island group? So it is a part of Lakshadweep, and it has a bird sanctuary. So I hope this Lakshadweep is clear, and now I am going to discuss about the Andaman and Nicobar island groups. So just give me a single moment. Okay, so now let's discuss the Andaman and Nicobar island groups. First, Lakshadweep we have completed. Now we are going to discuss about the Andaman and Nicobar islands. So first, look, let's find the location. This was the Lakshadweep. Let me make the Andaman and Nicobar islands only. I hope the location of Lakshadweep is clear and everything about it is clear. The main thing that it has a great diversity of flora and fauna. Piti Island is a part of it. Now look, Lakshadweep. This is the peninsular region of India, and here is a group of islands like this. So many, okay, are known as Andaman and Nicobar islands. Okay, you can say this is the Andaman and Nicobar islands. Look, let's start it. It is a chain of islands in the Bay of Bengal. So first, as you can see, it is a chain of islands, means it is a group of islands which is situated here in the Bay of Bengal, extending from north to south. That means it extends from north to south. North से लेके south तक ये क्या हुआ है, एक longitudinal way में क्या हुआ है, extended है, फैला हुआ है. After this, we can say the northern group of islands is called Andaman. As you can see, the northern portion of islands, this one is known as Andaman, and the southern group of islands is called Nicobars. So this southern portion is called Nicobars. Okay, after that, these islands are the elevated portion of submerged mountains. It is very important point. Like Lakshadweep was made by the skeletons of the skeletons of the marine animals. That means we can say that is made by the corals. Same as these are not made by any coral. These islands, it is believed that these islands are the top portion of the mountains which were submerged in the past. देखिए समझिए ज़रा, ये जो माउंटेन्स है, माना जाता है कि पहले, है ना, पुराने टाइम में यहाँ पे ढेर सारे माउंटेन्स थे. स्लोली क्या हो गया, ओशनिक लेवल, सी लेवल इंक्रीज हुआ और ये माउंटेन्स क्या होने लगे, वाटर के अंदर सबमर्ज होने लगा. फाइनली these tops are left only, and these tops are the island, looks like the island, and make an island group known as Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So we can say that the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the elevated portions of the submerged mountains. Okay, ये उन सब पानी में डूबे हुए उन माउंटेन्स के क्या हैं, पीक्स हैं, है ना, बिल्कुल ऊपर वाला पोर्शन है, ठीक है, जो आइलैंड्स की तरह हमें दिखाई देते हैं. I hope this is clear. And after that, the last point, it is close to equator. As you can see, this is Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree, and same as after that here will be 0 degree latitude, that will be the equator. So we can say that the Andaman Nicobar, the southern portion of Andaman Nicobar, this Nicobars is close to the equator and has a great diversity of flora and fauna. Like Lakshadweep has a great diversity of flora and fauna. Flora means plants and fauna means different animals. Same as Andaman and Nicobar Island groups has also a great diversity of flora and fauna, and also has a thick forest cover. That means we can say that it is also covered by a thick forest. Okay, so what we have discussed about Andaman and Nicobar, that it is located in Bay of Bengal, same as Lakshadweep was located in Arabian Sea. Let's recall that all, okay, together, so that we can revise them properly. So now we are going to compare Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobars. Okay, that will help you to revise these two. Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Look, we can say that Lakshadweep is situated in Arabian Sea, while Andaman and Nicobar is located in Bay of Bengal. Okay, This was the first thing. The second thing, location is clear. Now the second thing, it is made by corals, and these are the elevated portion of submerged mountains. Mountains I have written now. Okay. Third one, that both the islands has a great diversity of flora and fauna. So we can write great diversity of flora and fauna, and it has the same portion. It has also a great diversity of flora and fauna. And after that we had discussed that it has a bird sanctuary on Piti Island. Bird sanctuary on Piti Island, and it is covered with thick forest. I hope now you can compare this Andaman and Nicobars and Lakshadweep. This is all clear. And now look, with this topic we have completed our second chapter, and now we are going to recall them all and we will discuss the features. Okay, all these important physical features make India rich in diversity and rich in different type of physical features. ओके, सो लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट दैम कि हर एक फिजिकल फीचर से इंडिया को क्या प्रॉफिट होता है, उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, एंड देन दैट चैप्टर विल बी फिनिश. सो जस्ट अगेन गिव मी अ सिंगल मोमेंट गाइस. Okay, now look, we have completed the physical features of India, and now the most important thing, what are the importance of these physical features which India has. Okay, so look, let's start it. All these features makes the country richer in the natural resources. All these features help India to make rich in natural resources. And how they help India, let's discuss. The mountains, all the mountains give India water. These are the source of water and forest wealth. As you know that जो भी फॉरेस्ट होते हैं वो रिवर्स के ही साइड में होते हैं, रिवर बैंक्स पर होते हैं, तो रिवर्स जितने ज़्यादा होंगे फॉरेस्ट वेल्थ भी उतना ही ज़्यादा होगा. सो वी कैन से द माउंटेन्स आर द सोर्स ऑफ वाटर्स. Second, the northern plains, these are the granaries of the country. These are also known as the granaries of the country because country में जितने भी grains होते हैं वो सब इसी portion में होते हैं, the northern plains. The next one is the plateau. Okay, plateau are the storehouse of minerals. So many different type of minerals we can found in these plateaus. Okay, so India has a plateau, so India has source of mineral also. Now the next and last is the coastal regions and the island groups. इंडिया में जो कोस्टल रीजन्स हैं और जो आइलैंड ग्रुप्स हैं, इन दोनों ही जगहों पे क्या होती है, दीज आर द साइट्स फॉर फिशिंग एंड पोर्ट एक्टिविटीज़. ओके, जितनी भी फिशिंग होती है, फिशरीज हैं, वो सब यहीं पे हैं. कहाँ पे? कोस्टल रीजन्स एंड द आइलैंड ग्रुप्स. एंड ऑल्सो दीज आर वेरी हेल्पफुल इन टू इंडिया फॉर पोर्ट एक्टिविटीज़, है ना. जितने भी इम्पोर्ट और या एक्सपोर्ट के सॉरी आप कह सकते हो इम्पोर्ट या एक्सपोर्ट होता है थ्रू व्हाट, थ्रू वाटर बॉडीज. ओके, तो जितने भी वाटर बॉडीज से इंपोर्ट या एक्सपोर्ट का बिजनेस होता है इंडिया का, वो पोर्ट एक्टिविटीज जो होती हैं, मोस्टली पोर्ट्स आपको यहीं मिलेंगे, कोस्टल रीजन्स पे या फिर आइलैंड ग्रुप्स पे. आई होप दिस इज ऑल क्लियर टू यू. द फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया इज क्लियर टू यू एंड द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ द फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया इज क्लियर टू यू. मेक अ नोट ऑफ ऑल दीज chapter 1 and chapter 2. The question and answer I will send today. Complete it and then prepare yourself for the test. Thank you and Jai Hind guys. Best of luck.